pulse of the polka, when you take a reel, say let's say that there's the pulse, or the footbeat, we'll call it the footbeat, and there's 4 subdivisions into that. So there's 4 subdivisions of each pulse, but it is a steady pulse, whereas the Kerry polka has a fast pulse, boom, 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 boom. But there's only 2 divisions of the pulse. So it's an anomaly whereby the tune is slower, but the pulse is faster. So when compared to a reel, slow pulse, fast tune, the polka, fast pulse, slow tune. And the beauty of that for an accompanist such as myself is the tune is slow enough to incorporate the rhythm of the tune into your accompaniment pattern. There is no point trying to accompany a reel at the same speed that the reel is being played. It's just not appropriate. You have to go half the speed. You're playing at half the speed of the tune, whereas with the Kerry polka, you're playing at the same speed as the tune. And this opens up a world of possibilities because you are no longer playing at half the speed of the tune. You're playing the tune itself. That groove, the essential polka groove, is very similar to a form of rock and roll music or rhythm and blues, exemplified maybe by Chuck Berry. So. Same tempo, the same basic groove. So I had had years of playing in rock and roll bands in Australia. And so to me it was a natural fit. And although some people wouldn't approve of that, the amazing thing was I found when I got to Kerry, I couldn't play hard enough for them. No matter, I found I had to withhold my style playing throughout the rest of the country. And as soon as I got to Kerry, they wanted me just to play harder, you know. Taranga Wastad!